how to start your high-ticket dropshipping business in 2020. Hey guys, Trevor here with eCommerce Paradise, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about what exactly you need to start your high-ticket dropshipping business in 2020 in 8 easy steps. So if you're ready, let's get started. Number 1, niche research. You need to do your research before you get started and find a profitable market, one that doesn't have too much competition and one that's not too complicated, one that you'll be able to understand and easily manage. Okay, so it's really important to get this right. The niche research process is pretty simple in the beginning, and it's really important that you get this done so that you choose one that you are confident about, that's not just profitable but also right for you, and that you can learn more about as you go on. Now, if you want resources on this, you can get my free niches list at the link below, ecommerceparadise.com/99niches, or go to my free niche research YouTube playlist and watch some of my videos there. Tons of videos where I actually go in depth on niche research and also show you over my shoulder me doing research online to find profitable niches. Okay, so once you've found that, you need to make sure that you have your business finance and budget all worked out before you get started. It's really important that you have a solid financial foundation before you even start a business of any kind. I recommend having a solid cash flow either from a job or from a business or investments or savings, so that you won't be trying to find a way to make this store super profitable right off the bat. Because especially if it's your first store, it's going to be difficult to become profitable right away. Okay? You need to have a good credit score also. Good credit is important for getting credit cards. Credit cards are a great way to finance your business so that you don't have to have cash up front to afford all these high ticket products you're going to be selling. Okay? You will obviously need to manage your cash flow really good at that point to make sure that all your incoming is paying for your expenses. But with that said, credit cards can also be a great way to get bonuses and increase your profit margin using points, cashback, or miles rewards. You also need to make sure that you cover your bases legally, and my best advice for that is to hire a CPA and consult with a local CPA or a tax attorney or just a local attorney of any kind, just to make sure that you are in compliance with your local laws, state laws, the laws of your country that you're in, that kind of thing, and for selling in the market that you want to sell into. All right, and the next thing is having a legal business structure in place is really important. So legally, you need to have some sort of a business setup, whether it's a sole proprietorship or partnership, and whether it's an LLC that's taxed as a sole proprietorship or a partnership. So it's really important to know what these things mean. Basically, the difference is that with a regular sole proprietorship or partnership, you have no liability protection and pass-through taxation. With an LLC that's set up properly, you will have liability protection and you will also have pass-through taxation. If you don't understand what those mean, definitely consult with a CPA in your local area. All right, so you also need an EIN to do business in the American market, US market. You need a seller's permit in the state you're in, and you'll need a business checking and savings as well as a business credit card. So you might also need additional licenses. If you're not sure, you can look online. I like the TaxJar blog. TaxJar.com is a great resource for this kind of stuff. All right, and then next is you'll need a Shopify store. Shopify is the best e-commerce platform, in my opinion. It's the one I use and I recommend to all of my clients and students. It's easy to set up and easy to manage, and you can read more about it at my Shopify review. Link is below in the description. All right, and then once you've set up your Shopify store with some demo products that aren't really real but look like real products, you can start calling suppliers. And the reason why you need a store before you call suppliers is because suppliers are probably not going to set you up an account until you have an actual e-commerce store. They're going to want to look at it, make sure that you know what you're doing. Okay, but you will need suppliers to do dropshipping. Without suppliers, you cannot do dropshipping. So real suppliers in the US are ones that usually are smaller businesses. You're not going to be using AliExpress. You're going to be shipping from the US to the US, maybe even internationally, but the key is you got to find these suppliers. And how do you find the suppliers? Well, first you got to find your competitors, the online-only e-commerce stores that are selling in your niche already, the niche stores. And once you find them, you can just look at all the brands that they're selling. Usually they have a drop-down menu of all the brands, and you can find the contact information and website for each of those brands and contact the brand and ask for their, purchasing manager or sales department. And what you'll do then is ask them for a dealer agreement that will make you an authorized dealer to sell their products on your website. and they will drop ship for you directly to your customer. That's about it. And I would say usually on average 5 out of 10 or more of those suppliers you call will set you up with an account. So that said, you probably want to have a list of at least 10 or 20 so you can get started with at least 5 or 10. Okay. You can read my best dropshipping suppliers blog post, which gives you tons more information on how to actually find those suppliers and how to contact them, what to say to them, all that stuff. The link below. All right, and then my conversion optimization mechanisms are the next step. You need to optimize your website, and you need to have the mechanisms in place on your website that convert people. Okay, I have a 20-point conversion optimization checklist linked below, and you'll be able to actually go and make all these updates to your website so that you have a good website that converts leads, and also a marketing flow as well as a sales funnel. So email marketing is a key part of this, setting that up. Remarketing, tags, and things like that are key. And understanding how to push people through the funnel, what exactly you need, is super important. And each of those things matters a lot, so don't skip any of them, okay? All right, and the next thing you need is paid advertising. It's the best way to start these days. It's really hard to throw up a website and expect it to just get organic traffic right away. Search engines are built to not trust websites until they're at least maybe 3 to 6 months old. So you can put a bunch of content on your website, but most likely it's probably not going to get a lot of traffic. The best way to get traffic in the beginning is paid advertising. And usually I use Google Shopping ads because it's one of the best ways to get e-commerce traffic, people looking to buy something right now. Okay, and I use a thing called the inverted funnel. It's a great way to send bottom of the funnel traffic to your website, to your product pages that are actually looking to buy right now. And that's kind of the key, is to get people that are in the buying stage, in the cycle of actually purchasing at the moment, not maybe thinking about it right now and weeks later will purchase, okay? So if you want more info on that, you can click the link below and watch my videos and read my posts about this Google Shopping Ads funnel. And sales, customer service, and management is the next thing. It's really important that you understand this is a real business. You're going to need to close sales, provide great customer service, and manage your order fulfillment process and a product updating process in a smooth and consistent manner on an ongoing basis. I recommend you focus as much as you can on learning these skill sets. You need to learn sales skills, customer service skills, and management skills, and then marketing as well, obviously, on top of that. So learn the science of this stuff first, and then learn the art. Copywriting is key to your success. Copywriting is kind of like marketing plus sales, and it's a great way to close leads, is to learn how to do copywriting. You can read my blog post about what it takes to run a 7-figure high-ticket dropshipping store, linked below. And if you're looking to get a mentor in the high-ticket dropshipping space, I currently have a free high-ticket dropshipping course and niches list. Link is below for that. And also, if you are interested in getting started right now, you can get a great deal. My Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals are also linked below, so sign up to get notified for that when those are live. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And the truth is, you can do it. Anybody can do it, but you have to get yourself in the right place and be ready for it, and be committed, okay? It's one of those things that anybody can do it, but only few actually succeed with it, just because it takes a level of commitment, just like any business takes. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.